And what is the formula for assumed mean method? Vishnu, do you know assumed mean method? In Yasir, in spite of not attending the class, he has answered me. Tell me, Purushottam. A plus sigma FD upon sigma F. What is A? Assumed mean. What is that? Frequency. What is D? Deviation. And how do you find deviation? D is equal to x minus A. D is equal to x minus A. Okay, and your F is what? Frequency. And from under which column do we find out this assumed mean?
Yes,
Under which column? X. What is this X called? Class. Clear to everyone? Right. So this was all about mean, and yesterday I also told you that how, not yesterday, before in my class earlier also, that we know there are two types of class interval, exclusive and inclusive. What are exclusive class intervals? Where the upper limit is repeated, okay, and the upper limit is not included in a particular interval, okay. What is inclusive? Where the upper limit is included but the upper limit is not repeated. That is inclusive. And how do you convert inclusive into exclusive? By subtracting and adding. Subtracting what? 0.5 and adding what? 0.5. What is the 0.5 called? Adjustment. This much we have done. Okay. Now, yesterday I have started with median. We started with median. Right? Median for ungrouped data. What is the meaning of ungrouped data? Where your data are not in group form. Group form means class interval form. How do you find the median? What is the meaning of median? The central value of the data that you take. Central value. Okay. So if your data are in ungrouped form, ungrouped means they are not grouped. Grouped means in class interval. How do you find the median? If the number of observations are odd, then which one is your median? N plus 1 by 2th term. N plus 1 by 2th term. Where what is N? No. No, beta. What is that? Number of term. If sum of frequency, I would have written capital N. I would have written capital N. Okay. I am saying if the number of observations are odd in number, what does this N stand for? Number of observations. They are odd in number. Yesterday I have taken an example also. Suppose you have these observations with you 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many observations are there? 5. Odd in number. What does this n? What will be the value of n? 5. 3. 5. What will be the value of n? 5. Okay. So which one will be your median? 5 plus 1 by 2. That means 6 by 2. Third term. Which one is the third term? 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer? 3. Did you understand, Shanvi?
Yes.
You have to come to school. Okay? Right. Now, so this is the median, this is the formula to find out median when the observations are not in group. They are not presented in group form. Okay? And if the number of observation is even, then what will you do? N by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term whole by even. Suppose I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many terms are there? 6. They are odd or even? Even. So 6 by 2 means third term. Isn't it? Third term plus by 2 means 3. 3 plus 1, fourth term plus fourth term by 2. What is how much is the third term? 1, 2, 3. 3. What is the fourth term? 4 by 2. That means it is 7 by 2. What is the median? 3.5 in value. Did you understand? If the observations are not grouped, then how do you find median? Tell me, if the number of observations are odd in number, Suryansh, how do you find the median? Quickly. N plus 1 by 2th term. If they are even, then how do you find? N by 2th term plus N by 2 plus 1th term whole by 2. What is your nth term? That suppose if it is even, then you can find it. Clear to everyone? Now, those who are new today, you please take out your copy from the median of group data. Those who are written, it's okay. Those who are written, it's okay. Median of grouped data. What was the formula? What was the formula, Saurabh Pandey? What was the formula, Saurabh Pandey? L plus H into N by 2 minus CF by F. This is the formula. Sit down. This is the formula. Have you written Atul? Write down, beta. Write down. When are you going to use this formula? When your data are given in group form. Okay? What now? In order to find out the median, first of all, we see, look here. What are the steps of working? What are the steps of working? Number 1, find out the median class. What is the step of working? What is the first step? Find out the median class. You can also write down somewhere the steps of working. Find out the median class. Number 1, find out the median class. Number 2, to find the median class, find n by 2 where n is equal to sigma f. To find the median class, find n by 2 where n is what? Sigma f. What is the meaning of sigma f, Archita? Sum of all frequencies. Clear to everyone? Third step. Choose the interval which shows more than n by 2. Choose the interval which shows what? More than n by 2. Choose the interval which shows what? Choose the interval more than n by 2 means under which column you will search? Cumulative frequency. You write in the bracket. To be searched in the column of CF, cumulative frequency. To be searched in the column of cumulative frequency. Clear? Now, these things you have to remember. What is the first thing, children? Come on, all of you repeat after me. What is the first thing? Find the median class. How will you find the median class?
N by 2.
N by 2. What does this N stand for?
Sigma.
Sum of all frequency. Whatever N by 2 you will get. Now you will search the median class. How? You have to go to the cumulative frequency column where you will find the number more than N by 2. Yes or no? More than, I am saying, more than N by 2. And that class will become your median class. Clear to all? Now we will do one question. Write the question. Those who were present in the class yesterday, I am continuing with the same question. Those who are not here, you write. Find the median of the following data. Class and 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, and 80 to 90. And your frequency is given to you 5, 15, then 25, 20, 7, 8, and 10. These are the frequencies given to you. Have you copied the question? Those who were present in the class yesterday, it is not a big deal for them. I think you have already written the question. Now please pay attention. Those who are not in the class. Those who are not in the class. You are going to find what, children? First tell me, what is the question? Median. Okay, this is how you should calculate in your mind. We are supposed to find median. What is the formula? L plus in the bracket H into what? N by 2 minus CF above F. Okay. So what is N?
Number of terms.
What is N? No, beta. Who is saying number of
Sigma.
Lower limit. Very good. Very good. L plus H into N by 2 minus CF by F. I am asking you, what does this N stand for? Sum of all frequencies. If it is sum of all frequencies, at the bottom of this column, find out sum of all frequency. I think this is 90. Check it. Add it. Sigma F is 90. Sum of all frequency, it is 90. Clear to all of you? Then you need what? CF, cumulative frequency. So we have to make first column for cumulative frequency. Okay? Make in your copy cumulative frequency. How? Please see, those who don't know, look onto the board here. Those who don't know, look onto the board here. First one will be copied as it is. Check it. Copy. First one will be copied as it is. Now, how will you write the second one? See, 15 plus 5. How much will you get? 20. Second entry. Second entry. Okay. What will be the third entry, Suryansh? 25 plus 20. What? 45. What will be the next entry? 65. What will be the next entry? 72. What will be the next entry? 80. What will be the next entry? You will come to know that your answer is correct. These two should match each other. This last entry and sigma f should match each other. That means it is correct. Cumulative frequency you have taken out. Now we see. Now what are we going to do? We have to choose the median class. We have to choose the median class, Shanvi. Okay? In order to choose the median class, what are we supposed to do?
Find out.
Beta, you have written in your copy. Don't look onto my face.
Find out the median.
Find out n by 2. You have written there, Arshita. Find out n by 2. Okay? And how much, you see, at the bottom of this table, we will do all the working here, this pair working. N by 2. What will be your N by 2? Tell me all of you. 90 upon 2, that is 45. Okay. Listen, again children, when you will do this in your board examination, these all should be made properly. This draw line, separate this, complete the table, then only you will do. And in doing so, you are not going to waste much time. Okay? So we are supposed to find median class. For median class, we have seen what is n by 2? 40. What did I write? Which one will be your median class? Read. Which one will be your median class? Atul, read. What did I say? More than n by 2. That means you have to see under which column? Cumulative frequency more than 40. Which one is more than 40?
45.
More than 40. 45. Sorry, more than 45. More than 45 is? 55. That means which one is the median class? Median class. Yes or no? You keep it in a rectangle. This is a median class. Like this. Median class. Did you understand? Huh? Now again at the bottom of your table you will write median class. Median class is what? 50 to 60. Median class. Okay? Look here children. Are you able to see this side children? You are able to see? You can check this side. Okay, see, in this formula, what does this L stand for? Lower limit. What does this L stand for? Lower limit of the median class. What does this L stand for? Lower limit of the median class. And how much is the lower limit of the median class? 50. So L is 50. L is 50. Write down. L is 50. What is your H? Class size. Class size. What is the meaning of class size? Upper limit minus lower limit. Class size. What does this H stand for? Class size. What is the meaning of class size? So your H is what? 10. Clear? Atul? Huh? Now CF, please see, wait. CF, please write here. CF is cumulative frequency of the preceding class. Of the preceding median class. Of the preceding median class. Write down first. This cumulative frequency. Is there some sort of dust coming inside? Huh? Okay. What is the CF children? Read what I written. Of the preceding median class. Preceding मतलब पहले. जो median class आपने choose किया है उसके पहले. Okay. Which one is the median class? This. So the cumulative frequency of the preceding class. What is the cumulative frequency of the preceding class? 45. Yes or no? Did you understand or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Cumulative frequency of the preceding class, that is what? 45. Clear? Now, and what does this F stand for? Frequency of median class. Frequency of median class. This is the median class. What is the frequency? 20. Frequency is 20. Frequency of the median class. You understand one question, you can do remaining question yourself. Okay? Now write the formula first. Write the formula. What is the formula? L plus H into n by 2 minus CF upon F. M is equal to, what does this L stand for? Keep telling me. What does this L stand for? Lower limit of the
Median class.
median class. How much is that? 50 plus. What does this X stand for?
Class size.
Class size. How much is the class size?
10.
Into. What is our N? Sum of all frequency. How much was that? 90. By 2 straight away you can write 45 because you have taken out it is 45.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what is CF?
45.
And how will you select the CF? Cumulative frequency of the preceding class. A class above the median class. Okay. How much is that?
20.
45.
45.
Again 45.
0 by 2.
And what is our F? This is 20. So this whole will become 0.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
50.
Done? Only you should know the formula. Okay. Now, without looking onto the board. Have you completed, beta? Without looking onto the board. Okay? Don't look onto the board. Right? You look at me. Tell me. How will you find, sit all of you. Just open this one. How will you find the median of ungrouped data where the number of observations are odd in number? What will you do? N plus 1 by 2. Here, what does this N stand for? Number of observations. And if it is even in number, then what do you do? N by 2th term plus N plus 1 by 2th term. What does this N stand here for? Number of terms. Clear? If the data are given in grouped form, what is the meaning of grouped form? Class interval form. I have already told you, see, what type of class interval was this? Whatever question you have written? No. What type of class interval was that? Was that exclusive or was that inclusive? Atul, check and tell me. It was 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Whether it is exclusive or inclusive?
Repeating.
So exclusive or inclusive?
Exclusive.
Exclusive. Why do you call it exclusive?
Because the upper limit is repeating.
Repeated. Because the upper limit is repeated. And 20 to 30. Which all observations you will take here? Raise your hand. How many of you know? 20 to 30. Which all observations you will take here? Yes, sir, Priyanshu. Huh?
20 to 30, 20 to 19.
20 to 29. 20 to 29. You will not include the upper limit. That means it becomes what? Exclusive. If your class interval form is in inclusive form, convert that into exclusive. First, convert that into exclusive. Okay? And how do you convert that into exclusive? Subtract and add 0.5. What is the 0.5 called? Adjustment factor. Clear? Now, what is the formula? Sit down. Don't look onto the board. Vishnu, what is the formula to find out median of group data? No. Still, you don't want to study at all.
First of all, find out the median class.
What is the formula? Tell me.
Median class.
Huh.
L plus H into N by 2 minus CF upon frequency.
L plus H into N by 2 minus CF upon L. What does this L stand for? Of the median class. Very good. What does this H stand for?
Class size.
What is the meaning of class size?
Upper limit.
Upper limit minus lower limit. What does this N stand for? Sum of all frequencies. What is this CF? Cumulative frequency of the preceding class. Preceding class to what? Median class. Very good. And what does this F stand for? Frequency of the median class. Is it clear to everyone? Now I am going to give you one question. Do it. I will give you only 3 minutes for you to complete that. Okay? Right. Calculate the median for the following data. Calculate the median for the following data. Calculate the median for the following data. Class five to 10, 10 to 15, 5. Frequency is 5, 6. We need to find out the median. We need to find out the median. We need to find out the median. Quickly, I am giving you only 3 minutes time. So can you see the time? 3 minutes. 9. Time starts now. Quickly, 3 minutes time. Taken out?
Yes, ma'am.
15 plus 11 is 26. And this is 36. And this is 41. This is 45. This is 47. And this is 49. It means your sigma f will be also 49. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the next step? N by 2. N by 2. What is it? Sigma f. So n by 2 is 49 by 2, 24.5. More than 24.5. Under which column? Under which column? Cn. This one. So this is a median class. So simple. Okay? Done. Very good, Ayush. Very happy. Very good. See, others should learn from him. After 8 months, he is awakened and then 2 years done. Yes, it done? So, L, what is the lower limit for this? 50 plus, how much is H? What is the meaning of H, beta? What is the meaning of H? Huh? Class size. How will you find class size? Approximate minus 4. I think is 5 into N by 2 is what? 24.5. What is CF?
26.
Preceding class, no? 11 preceding class upon F. What is the frequency of this class? 15. You need to solve it. That's it. This goes by 3 times. And 15 plus this will be what? 3.5 by 3. Calculate this. This is not your brain, this is your third period. Plus, how much we got? 3 4s are 12 and 4.5. 3 4s are 12 and 4.5. Yes or no? Then you will add it. What is that? 19.5.